Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off VoiceOver Recognition Image Descriptions on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Accessibility. Then tap on VoiceOver. Now go down and tap on VoiceOver Recognition. Then tap on Image Descriptions. And at the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off Image Descriptions. Now say here, your iPhone will speak descriptions of images in apps on the web. And then you got here sensitive content output, speak, play sound, or do nothing, as well as adding additional languages. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.